Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing this heartbreaker makeup look. Heartbreaker makeup? Heartbreak makeup. Heart makeup. Not really sure why I named it heartbreaker. Probably because I'm going through some things right now. It's really pretty. It's really pinky. It makes me feel like it's Valentine's Day, but in September, and I love it so much. This was actually inspired by Jessie Luxie. It's by Jessica Vu, but this is the picture that I got inspiration from, and I really thought it was really cute and pretty, and I loved it, and so I went ahead and recreated it. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Keep on watching. I'm gonna start on my eyebrows and I'm just gonna brush them up. And I've actually been using this Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow. It's a brow tint pen. It's not as pigmented and it's a little hard to work with, but I like the whole soft brow look. So that's why I like using it. And then I'll go ahead and just set my eyebrows using a tinted brow gel. This is by Anastasia in the shade Espresso. And then I am going to carve them out using concealer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And this is in the shade Light 10. So first things first, I'm going to start on my eyes and I'm going to prime them using the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm going to unlock it. It's like a little bowl. I love it. I'm also going to be using the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. So first, I'm going to go ahead and take Tongue Pop, and this is going to be used as our transition shade. I'm also going to use this shade to set my eyelids. I'm also going to take this shade and kind of wing it out. And I'm going to take some of Prick, and I'm going to mix it in with Cavity. And this is also going to go right in our crease, and also winging it out. And then with a clean brush, we're just going to go ahead and start blending that out. Then I'm going to take some of Cherry Soda, and I'm going to mix it in with Fresh Meat. This is going to go right on our lid. I'm going to slightly blend it into the crease. I'm going to take some of this Fresh Meat on its own. I'm going to just kind of pop this into the center. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend the center shade with that clean blending brush. And then I'm going to take, is it Giza? It's going to go right on my brow bone. And I'm going to use eyeliner, and this is the Fenty eyeliner. For lashes, I'm going to be using my Eyler Vegasnay Luxie Collection Bronze Beauty Lashes. These are literally the only lashes I ever use because I feel like these are the ones that suit my eyes the best. I gotta find tape. Where am I gonna find tape in this household? I found tape and scissors. And for primer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. I'm gonna have to try to... How do I do this? I'm going to be using the Anastasia Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Warm Neutral. And I actually have this one. It's by Estee Lauder. I don't know which one it is. I don't know, but it's a little sample that they gave me. And apparently I'm 360 in. No! Is that my ear foundation? I can't tell. The stick foundation is starting to look a little too orange on me, which is not a good sign because that means I'm losing my tan. That's not good, sis. Why do I look so pale? Oh my goodness. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is an amazing concealer. We're dotted on. Oh my god, why am I so pale? I'm sorry, I promise you I'm not. It's actually kind of awkward to look at. Look like Casper the Ghost. For powder, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. This is the one in the old packaging. I don't know how I feel about the new packaging, and I really want the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate. It's gonna look so weird because these are all gonna be different. Let me tell you that making these and getting these on was probably the hardest thing ever. We're gonna take some of Prick and Cavity. This is gonna go right on the outer corner of the lower lash line. I'm trying to make it not go too far down. We're gonna take some of Prick, Cavity, and Cherry Soda. We're gonna start from the outer corner. We're gonna blend outwards right into the hearts. I'm going above my eyebrow. She doesn't do that. Make sure it connects from the lower lash line. I'm gonna take some of Cavity and Cherry Soda. And this time I'm gonna kind of stamp it around. And then with a clean brush, blend out your edges. Kind of darkened up the hearts just a little bit. When I took them off, you could pop a little bit more. I don't know. And I'm gonna take the Masquerade palette again. I'm gonna take Giza, and that's gonna go in my inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and it's like a very faint highlight. It's not too blinding, so I'm going to be using my Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter. She actually put some of the pink on the tip of her nose, which is what I'm going to do. Ah! Freaking Cavity. Oh. Right there. So that's when we blend. take a powder brush and just kind of highlight on top of it once more. And then I'm actually gonna do lower lash mascara, but I'm gonna do brown lower lash mascara. Because black mascara is way more pigmented and it'll really show, and with the brown mascara, it's a lot lighter. And because she doesn't really have lower lash mascara, I didn't wanna like overdo it, but I like lower lash mascara, so that's why I put it on. We can take these hearts off and unveil hopefully something cute. They're kind of ugly, but they're cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. Wow, love it, love her. That means all that's left are lips, and I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Gemini liquid lipstick. And here is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this little heartbreaker look, then don't forget to give this video a big ol' thumbs up, because that just lets me know that you liked the video. And if you want to see more looks like this, or if you want to see more of this face, I don't know why you'd want to, but if you do, the subscribe button will be around here somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next week. Bye. Oh, fun. And I've always wanted an aesthetic like that. Hopefully I soon get it. It just depends on my editing. And I loved how, ooh. Also, do I not look like a little grandma with this on? I feel like it looks like an apron. I tried the whole tank top on top of t-shirt. I like it. I don't know if that's just me, but I think it's cute. I like it. So stop. I cut my hair to here. Can you see that? And I love it.